What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's your first day stopping by. Please consider subscribing, especially if you're a Mopar guy or a Mopar owner. This is where you want to be. So today we're going to be making a little change to the car. Nothing too substantial, but I'm doing an oil change right now, and I'm going to be installing the Fumoto F106 oil drain plug. And if you don't know what these are, let me show you what I got here. It's basically just a little, replaces your drain plug, and you can drain the oil without removing the plug. It's got a valve on it, heavy duty valve. It doesn't really have any possibility of opening on its own. It's even got this little black piece there as a little clip that you can clip on to even furthermore keep it from coming out. I'm actually running one on my John Deere. You can see that right there. Slightly different variant, but I just changed the oil on that, and worked great. I just put a little plastic little hose on it and just drained it straight into a pan. So I'm already halfway through the oil change. I've already got a video of how to do an oil change. So if you're interested on how to change the oil in one of these cars, I'll put a link in the description that you can watch. So let's go ahead and put this in, and I will show you how it works. Okay, we are ready to put the valve in now, so say goodbye to this guy forever, and welcome this guy. Now, I did grab a few other attachments that you may want to think about if you're planning on going this route to just help route the oil into the oil pan. But you know, if you just used it like this, you could just, you know, open the valve, let the oil out, and it would just flow out like, you know, like normal. But I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. Okay, the new oil filter is already in. There's just a little bit of dripping going on the. All right, so let's go ahead and throw this on. Okay, so let me just get this oil off my hand real quick. Slide my drain bucket back so I have some room, and we will torque this on. All right, let's just clean this area up just a tad, and then torque it down to factory specs, which is 20 foot-pounds of torque. We're already there. So, done. Simply, to do an oil change now, will be open, and look, there's oil flowing out now, the old oil. And then to close, just close it back, and it's done. So that should really simplify your oil change. It should make everything quicker, and you know, just the basic thing to do to the car to kind of make your life a little bit easier. And then finally, just this little piece I picked up also just snaps on. Right here, and then I can just put my oil pan underneath, and then the oil will just drain straight out. So we went from this to this. Okay, that's all I got for today. Real simple thing to do to your car. Doesn't cost that much money. It's under $25, $23, something like that. Link will be in the description. So that's it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish my oil change and enjoy my car. See you.